In this video, we are going to understand the concept of message broadcasting. So here you can see that when I click on the green flag, so the cat moves towards the bat flies when cat touches the bat, and the star and the frog, they are very excited. Uh, One more time. So this is basically what we are going to do in this particular activity, and here comes the concept of message broadcasting. So if you take a close look, we are using four sprites here: cat sprite, bat, starfish, frog. So let's begin with the cat sprite. So on the cat sprite, you can see we have given the first instruction that when we click on the green flag, so it should go to the starting position. We have given some coordinates here, x-axis and y-axis. You can give a different set of coordinates as well. Along with this, when I'm working with the cat sprite, so I have given this set of instruction which says that when I receive walk, this is the message which will be broadcasted. Walk. So this message is for cat. When the cat receives this message, then it should continuously move 20 steps and change the next costume and towards the bat. And once it reaches the bat, so it should broadcast the message that the walk is finished. Likewise, when I come to the bat, so here you can see I have given the starting position to the bat as well. Like when I click on the green flag, so the bat should be at this particular location. You can give a different set of coordinates as well. And the message for the bat is when the bat receives the message to fly, so it should continuously appear flying on the game stage, and for that we are using the y coordinate, and we are changing it with value 10. And once it finishes flying, it should broadcast this message that the bat has finished the flying. And to the starfish, we are saying again the starting position, that when you click on the green flag, it should have a starting position. This is the values that I'm using. And the starfish need to receive this message, jump fish, and once it receives the message, it should start jumping up and down. So this change value by positive 10 will increase the height, like it is jumping up, and wait for some time. I'm waiting for 0.25 seconds, and we are changing the value to -10, like it should come back down, to give a proper jumping effect. And once it is done, like repeating 5 times, so it should broadcast a message that it is done. And for the frog, we are saying again the starting position. These are the coordinates that I'm using. Along with this, when the frog receives the message like jump frog, so after receiving this message only, it should start changing the costumes, like change the x value and the y value. So here you can see, like it is going to repeat 5 times. It's basically going to change the costumes, and let's say jump also. So change the y-axis, like for jumping up and down, positive is to go up and negative is to come down, and change costume again, like this. So this is a small set of instructions that we are giving to all of these sprites. When combined together, when we click on the green flag, so they all get their respective messages and they start working on that. So this is basically the concept of message broadcasting when we are working, creating some games, animations, storytellings in Scratch.